YouTube. I think everyone's remembered about the Dale Earnhardt's Diecast review mission thing, and first one to review Carl Subway Ford. This review will be on the 2009 Carl Subway Ford. Really cool. Got it in the mail today from Diecast.com or Diecast Cars Now. Whatever. Here's the sponsors on the box: Subway, Carl Evers, 99, Rush Fenway, X-Race Collectibles Kid Series, 1/4 scale, Stock Car Limited Edition Collectible, ages 4 and up, X-Racing Collectibles Kid Series, X-Racing Collectibles Steel the Torch Champions, the Barcode, Nascar, some other stuff, like the Nascar hologram, birds on the bottom, power button, Motorsports Authentics, RCAA. To join the Racing Collectibles Clubs of America, call 1-800. Call 1-800-952-0708. Officially licensed product, handcrafted in China. Let's go ahead and open it. Have to see this car. Cool, it has the new Ford headlights on it too, and no Fusion logo on it. Here's the car. I'm really looking forward to reviewing this. So let's get it going. Subway, Aflac, Ford, the new Ford headlights, no Fusion logo, the grill, 99, Sprint Cup Series, Nascar race car, Subway, Aflac, discount tire, Subway, Ford. Sorry about that. Subway, Ford, Subway, and but it's the same with Goodyear tires and Sunoco racing fuel. Main colors are dark yellow, dark green, and light yellow. The bottom is gray, and let me show you something cool. Let me show you something. I don't have a Claritin card to do this. I'm going to have to do it with Subway. My reenactment. Here's my reenactment of the Aaron's $4.99. Boom. And so that was my review. The 2009 Subway Ford of Carl Evers. Right there. Here's on my 2008 NASCAR Diecast. Oh wait, car I have. This Gretzlowski. I don't know where he ran that paint scheme though. I think he ran at the Memorial Day race in the Nationwide Series. Because it does have the Nationwide Series logo on it. I don't know. Y'all can't see it. But oh, yeah. I got the 08 version of this car. On the bottom, I don't know if you can see it. It's a winter circle car. Look, it has the black bottom. It was made in 08. I don't know where you can find any more of these, but they are pretty rare. Nice. This car is also this car and some other cars in there, I think. Yeah, I hope this will be posted on the Dale Earnhardt's channel. And some special car, another special car for my mom. Trying to find it. Okay. 2 cars for my mom. She's a Jimmy Johnson fan and Carl fan. Let's give it up. Here we are. And paw prints all over my sweet floor. Cat had ink on her, and she put, look at this sweet color before we go. Gold, real gold, solid gold. You see a red light on it. That's my camera light. Wish you could see my camera. This is sponsored by McDonald's. And Coors Light. And fruit roll-ups, Manny Rose, and Pop-Tarts made by Blueberry Chocolate Chip Cookie Dough, and fruit roll-ups, and Fruity Pebbles, and Flavor Blasted Goldfish Pizza flavor. Okay, bye.